Hey everyone, so we are really excited about this week. So this week here at Plaid is all of our new products. So welcome to Plaid New Product Showcase. And we love this week because we work all year coming up with new ideas and new products, and we use trends and just great platforms to launch, whether it's a kit or a new product or something that works on a new surface. And this is the week that we get to introduce all of that to you guys. So we really love this week. I know yesterday there was some really fun products that I'm going to also address today. You talked a little bit about plastic. You talked about Murano, two of our most exciting new product lines. But what I am going to do today is I'm going to show you our favorite kits. We love kits. The shopper loves kits. It's just a convenient way to get everything that you need in one spot at a great price, and it's a great gift. It focuses on a trend. So today I'm going to show you 5 of our all-time favorite kits that are new to Plaid, so new to you, and the value is incredible. So one thing I want to remind everybody that might be new to the Plaid New Product Showcase for this week is 2 great fabulous things. One is we have a huge sale. So you will get 35% off of your total purchase if you purchase $60 or more. So that is fabulous. Everything that we're showing you can be included in the $60 or more. And if you're in the US, you get free shipping. So the code for that is NPS24. And this sale is going on through 4/27. So you guys, all the products that we're showing you this week, use to restock your craft room, to give some great gifts, and just to really have a great assortment of all of our favorite new products for this year. Okay, so with that said, what I'm going to do today is focus on 5 favorite kits, and I just want to really talk about what you get, why we bundled them as a kit, where the great value is, and all of the great things that you can do with each kit. Okay, so the first kit that I want to show you guys today is metallics. Everything always, but really this year is a big trend with glitter and sparkle and movement and specialty paints. So our metallics are just a great basic. They're FolkArt metallics, so always remember all of our FolkArt paints can work together. So this would work with the glitter kit I know you saw yesterday. This would work with our matte kit that you guys saw yesterday. So anything FolkArt works together, but the metallics are fabulous. You get just this really beautiful upscale sheen. You get great coverage. They work on a bunch of different projects. You can see we did this really cute champagne bottle. Great for a wedding, great for a shower. But then it also works just as a basic paint. You can do an alphabet. You could do florals. So anything you can do with basic matte or satin FolkArt, you can do with the metallics. This is just a great project to show you guys everything in the kit used together. We've done all the hard stuff, making sure that the pink complements the purple, making sure that it's the right blue to go with the color palette. So just a really great assortment of FolkArt metallics. So in this kit, you guys get 12 colors, but what I like best, I love when brushes are included in a kit, because then it's just one stop. All you need to think about is your surface. And these are high quality artist brushes, and you get large and then another smaller flat, which is great for base coating, but it's also great for some detail work like this. You could do a lot of different things besides base coat with these basic brushes. So all of that is included in our FolkArt metallic kit, a really fabulous kit for someone that likes a little bit of sparkle. Okay. Our second kit, this is new, this is exciting, and this is so trending. So this is called our skin tone kit. And the reason we love this is it just brings everybody together. It is a fabulous palette. You get 8 FolkArt multi-surface colors. That's really important in this because multi-surface, you can work on ceramics, you can work on wood, you can work on a canvas, but it gives you so much versatility in the type of project that you can create. This ceramic mug is great because, again, the multi-surface allows you to have that much more to do with the surface. So you get 8 beautiful colors, and again, what we have done is we have done the research to know that this color complements this color, that none of them are going to really not work well together, and you just get a great assortment of skin tone colors that are perfect for any project. Let me show you all the colors because they're so fabulous. You get the Pueblo, you get the dark brown, you get the vintage white. So just a great assortment of skin tones, of neutrals, of a really beautiful palette for all of your crafting needs. With this kit, the skin tone kit, again, the reason I love it is because you also get the brushes. Same reason. It's just so important, whether you're giving this as a gift, you get the paints and you get the brushes. And you get the 3 artist brushes again, the large flat and then the medium flat. So just a great gift, a great assortment, a great value. And don't forget the promo, 35% off, and if you spend $60 or more. And you know, I forgot about something. Stephen is in the studio with us today, and we are going to pick a winner during this segment that if you put a chat in the comment, we will pick a winner at the end that gets an assortment of free products. So we'll pick that name at the end of this segment. Okay, so we're going to have a set change because, again, we have 5 fabulous kits. So skin tone is going away magically. And in comes, I can't do drum. In comes paint for plastic. Ooh. Now this might be one of the most exciting. I know here at Plaid and really everywhere, Earth Day was yesterday, but there's such an important movement on recycling, upcycling, not having any waste, taking something that once held a household product and making it into something cute. There's nothing better than crafting in that direction and gifting in that direction. It's just so important. So Paint for Plastic is kind of our launch into that. So this kit, you get the perfect palette we have picked for you. You get all of the rainbow colors, the brights, a little bit more pastel. Paint for Plastic, you also get black and white, a basic that everybody needs. So you get what? 9 colors, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You get 9 beautiful colors that all work together. I think Jess, for anyone that was with us yesterday, Jess talked about all the benefits of this. It's permanent, you can blend it, you can use it as you would use any traditional acrylic paint. You can layer, you can use stencil, stamps, paint with tape, anything that you want to do, but it works perfect. The coverage is beautiful, it's permanent on plastic, so everything that you can do with acrylic, you can now do really easily and really durable on a plastic surface. It's safe for indoor and for outdoor use, so that's another fabulous benefit. And you get the brush set. So I just really keep talking about that because it's such a benefit to get the perfect palette, but also get the brushes to begin your projects. So I want to show you another one that this is a little bit different, but this is the ultimate brush set. And we've kind of been joking here in the studio that if you buy this, you have every brush that you will ever need in your entire life to craft any project. So that's a really great brush set. So the ultimate brush set, you get 4 separate brush sets bundled together for a great price. So you get the pouncer set, which pouncers are fabulous. They're great for traditional stamping. They're great through a stencil. They're great for base coating. You get all of those different sizes. They come out of that plastic handle, so they're easy to wash and reuse over and over and over again. So a lot of people say, oh, well, I can only make dots. Absolutely not. You can make dots, but you can also stencil, you can also stamp, you can also base coat. And a little tip, this is hands down the best way to base coat glass. You get full coverage, you get a nice even coat, and it's also a great way to create an ombre. So this is a really exciting product that you get in the brush bundle. You also get an entire set, 10 pieces of smaller detail brushes. You get little flats, you get little rounds, and this is great for any detailing, whether it be lettering, whether it be florals, little borders. You get every brush imaginable to create a small detailed pattern. Also in the Ultimate Brush Set, you get a 10-piece set of all the brushes that are perfect for glass and fabric. The bristles are a little bit different, so they're more specific for working on fabric or working on glass. You get a stencil brush, and you also get this great variety of sizes. And then, of course, my favorite is the Ultimate Artist Brush Set. And this comes in this. And these are just all the gold nylon, large, small, detail, great for base coating, the scruffy brush, which is great for landscapes, great for abstract. But you get this 10-piece brush set as well. So let me make sure, let me slide that down, which Stephen's already told me to do. Look at all of these brushes, 10, 10, 10, and 8 pouncers. You get all of this. So this is all you will need to ever craft anything that we ever craft here at Plaid. Big, little, fabric, glass, base coat, sponging, spouncing. So this, for anyone that is a crafter, a painter, any level, this is the ultimate set and all that you would need. Okay, let me scoot him out. We have another set change. Da, 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 da. Okay. I think I said this every single time that it was my favorite, so I might say it again. But it's good to like every single set. So Murano. Murano is new to Plaid. It's new to the craft industry, and it is super exciting. I hope you guys came on yesterday in the new product showcase because Jessie went over every single detail of this. And if you haven't, go back on Facebook and watch the new product segment about Murano. Because Murano is everything that Jess said it was. It's permanent on glass. It's a soft, even, very blown glass look. The texture is beautiful. What you can use it on, you can tint glass, simple upcycling, but you can also blend, marble, create all of these beautiful, unique projects. It's a very smooth finish. The colors go together beautifully. There's both opaque and transparent. And again, this is permanent. So it's just a fabulous product for anybody that's interested in either creating the trend, which is colored glass, or being really creative and doing stemware or vases or accessories that are just more unique and marbled or personalized. Within this line, you can also do stencils, you can do stamps. So go back again and look at yesterday's new product segment about Murano. But this kit, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you get 10 fabulous colors. And what we've done, the reason why kits are so fabulous is we really have made sure that your pink coordinates really well with your red. We've made sure that we picked the best green for the kit. So it's great for florals, but it's also great if you were using every one to do colored glass. We've made sure that it's the best green and the blue that complements each other. So you get all of the transparent colors, but then you also get opaque, you get clear. The reason why we love clear is what clear does, and this is just a craft tip, clear allows you to almost be the carrier if you're blending or shading colors. So clear is in between these different blues, and what that does is it just kind of softens the look and gives you a really transparent look. So in this kit, you also get brushes for the same reason that we really want you guys to get crafting right away when you purchase this set, and you get an assortment. You get a larger brush that's great for ombres. You get smaller brushes that are great for details. So everything that you would need to do a fabulous Murano glass project. Whew! So those are 5 of our favorite kits. Don't forget, we have a fabulous sale all week during our Plaid New Product Showcase. 35% off. You've got to buy $60 or more. If you live in the U.S., it ships for free. The code is NPS24, and the sale is good through 4/27. Any of the products that you see in the showcase can apply to the sale, and if anyone has put a comment in the chat we are going to pick a lucky winner to receive a bundle of free product from Plaid. Stephen, do we have a winner?
We do. I know you said you can't do drum rolls, but can you give me one
I
anyway?
can't, but I can try.
Okay, our winner today
Really fast, right? Go.
is VB Brown.
VB Brown, you win an assortment of Plaid free product. And I think all that you have to do is put in the Facebook
Yeah,
chat.
so send a message to our Facebook page.
Okay.
And then our team will help you with your info and all that stuff from there. So congratulations.
Perfect. So VB Brown, I hope you love your new product. All 5 of these fabulous kits are available now on Plaid Online. All of the kits that you saw yesterday, and then we have more new product showcase items that we're going to show you later today. So join us again at 3 and then again tomorrow. So thank you everyone for joining us, and get out there and get your favorite folk art kits. See you next time. Bye.